Hi friends, in this session we'll start with chapter number 5, numerical part. So hope you clear with all the laws, that is Boyle's law, Charles law, Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro law, ideal gas equation, combined gas equation and Dalton's partial pressure. So on the basis of all these formulas we have some numerical available in solved example as well as end exercise. So first we'll discuss solved example number 5.1 to 5.4 and then we move on to this end exercise part. So let's start with solved example 5.1. A balloon is filled with this hydrogen at room temperature. It will burst if pressure exceed 0.2 bar. If 1 bar pressure is the gas occupy 2.27 liter volume. Up to what volume can the balloon be expanded? Once again, a balloon is filled with this hydrogen at room temperature. It will be burst if pressure is exceed 0.2 bar. One pressure is given. If 1 bar pressure, second pressure is also given. Gas occupies 2.27 liter of volume. Up to what volume can the balloon be expanded? Given data extend कर लीजिए. We start the numerical. So 5.1, according to Boyle's law, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. P1 is 1 bar, P2 is 0.2 bar, V1 is 2.27 liter and V2 is equal to question mark. So P1 V1 is equal to, so P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. V2 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2.27 divided by 0.2. So V2 is equal to 11.35 liters. Now, final conclusion. Since balloon burst at 0.2 bar, at the volume of this balloon should be less than 11.35 liters. So conclusion लिखना compulsory है. अगर नहीं लिखोगे तो आधा marks cut हो जाएगा. Fine. Write down the conclusion. So this is a really very simple numerical. Next we move on to this 5.2. So after 5.1 solved example, next we move on to this 5.2. On a ship sailing in Pacific Ocean where the temperature is 23.4 degrees Celsius, a balloon is filled with 2 liter air. What will be the volume of the balloon when the ship reaches to this Indian Ocean where the temperature is 26.1 degrees Celsius? Given data extract कर लीजिए and then we'll move on to this numerical. Let's start with the 5.2. Given data extract, V1 is equal to 2 liter. V2 you have to find out. T2 is 299.1. Most important thing, you have to convert degree Celsius to corresponding Kelvin temperature. So wherever you have degree Celsius, add 273, you get your Kelvin. T1 is equal to 23.4 plus 273 means 296.4. So T1 and T2 is available. Now, according to the Charles law, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. Make a form of V2. So V2 is equal to V1 into T2 divided by T1. So V2 you get 2.018 liter. So very simple numerical. Once again, please make your calculations by your own. Do not use calculator. And unit लिखना compulsory है. Unit नहीं लिखोगे तो marks cut हो जाएंगे. Next is 5.3. At 25 degrees Celsius and 760 Hg of mm, a gas occupies 600 ml volume. What will be its pressure at the height where the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and volume is 640 ml? Once again, given data extract कीजिए. 760 Hg of mm, 25 degrees Celsius, 600 ml of volume. Then next pressure you have to find out 10 degrees Celsius and volume is 640 ml. So likewise, so let's start with the 5.3. P1 is equal to 760 Hg of mm. V1 is equal to 600 ml. T1 is equal to 25 plus 273 means 298 Kelvin. V2 is equal to 640 ml. T2 is equal to 10 plus 273 means 283 Kelvin. So this is out of this 6 value, 5 values are given. Sixth, you have to find out. So we are using combined gas equation. P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. Remaining all the stuffs are available. Data सभी आपके पास available है. Put all this value. Numerator में multiplication, divide में multiplication, and finally you get division. Final your answer becomes P2 is equal to 676.6 mm. Once again, unit mm is important. Let's start with the 5.4 solved example. A neon dioxygen mixture contains 70.6 gram of dioxygen and 167.5 gram of neon. If the pressure of the mixture of the gases in the cylinder is 25 bar, what is the partial pressure of this dioxygen and neon in the mixture? पार्शियल प्रेशर वर्ड सुनते ही आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए, हमें डाल्टन्स पार्शियल प्रेशर यूज करना है. डाल्टन्स पार्शियल प्रेशर का फॉर्मूला क्या था? P1 इज इक्वल टू x1 इंटू पी टोटल, P2 इज इक्वल टू x2 इंटू पी टोटल. गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कीजिए एंड वी स्टार्ट द न्यूमेरिकल. So first, number of moles of oxygen, N of O2 is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. That is 70 divided by 32. You get number of moles of O2, 2.21 mole. N of neon, that is 167.5 divided by 20 is equal to 8.375 mole. So total mole 2.21 plus 8.375 is equal to 10.585. So mole fraction, second step. Mole fraction means given mole divided by total mole. So XO2 is equal to 2.21 divided by 10.585 is equal to 0.21, and X of N2 is equal to 8.375 divided by 10.585 is equal to 0.79. So mole fraction is ready. First step, 3 स्टेप में न्यूमेरिकल होगा. सबसे पहला स्टेप नंबर ऑफ मोल्स फाइंड आउट करना, सेकंड स्टेप मोल फ्रैक्शन फाइंड आउट करना, एंड लास्ट स्टेप पे हम जाते हैं, दैट इज डाल्टन्स पार्शियल प्रेशर अप्लाई करना है. That is partial pressure of O2 is equal to mole fraction of O2 multiplied by P total. Mole fraction आपने अभी यहाँ पे ढूंढा है, that is 21. P total दिया हुआ है 25 बार. So this multiplied by 25, you get 5.25 bar. That is the partial pressure of O2. And next, partial pressure of neon. So partial pressure of neon is nothing but the mole fraction of neon multiplied by P total. So mole fraction of neon यहाँ पे ready है 0.79 multiplied by 25, you get 19.75. So this is all about numerical based on Dalton's partial pressure. Next we move on to this end exercise part. After completion of solved example, let's move on to this end exercise numerical. We start with the 5.1. What will be the minimum pressure required to compress 500 decimeter cube of air at 1 bar to 200 decimeter cube at 30 degrees Celsius. So once again, given data extract कीजिए, then we start with the numerical part. So 5.1 given data extract करते हैं. P1 is equal to 1 bar, P2 you have to find out, V1 is equal to 500 decimeter cube, V2 is equal to 200 decimeter cube. Simple. According to this Boyle's law, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Make a form of P2. Remaining all the stuffs on the right hand side part. Simplify कीजिए. You get your answer. That is 2.5 bar. Very simple numerical. Very easy. After completion of 5.1, let's move on to this 5.2. A vessel of 120 ml capacity contains a certain amount of gas at 35 degrees Celsius and 1.2 bar pressure. The gas is transferred to another vessel of volume 180 ml at 35 degrees Celsius. What would be its pressure? Once again, given data extract कर लीजिए, statement 2 बार पढ़ लीजिए. We start the numerical part. V1 is 120 ml, V2 is 180 ml. Given data, P1 is equal to 1.2 bar, P2 question mark, and temperature remains constant through the experiment, that is 35 degrees Celsius. So once again, according to the Boyle's law, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Make a form of P2, remaining all the stuffs on a right hand side direction. सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, यू गेट योर आंसर दैट इज 0.8 बार. नेक्स्ट इज 5.4. At 0 degrees Celsius, the density of a certain oxide of a gas at 2 bar is the same as that of the dinitrogen at 5 bar. Once again, at a 0 degrees Celsius, the density of certain oxides of a gas at 2 bar is the same that of the dinitrogen at 5 bar. What is the molar mass of oxide? Oxide का molar mass ढूंढना है. Now we have to apply the density formula. Let's start with the 5.4 first, density formula. So density of oxide, that is d1 is equal to m1 p1 upon RT1, and density of dinitrogen is d2 is equal to m2 p2 divided by RT2. Now at same temperature for the same density, if d1 and d2 are same, LHS same, तो RHS same हो सकते हैं, temperature भी same, R is gas constant. So can we write d1 is equal to d2? So if d1 is equal to d2, तो m1 p1 is equal to m2 p2. So m1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 28 multiplied by 5. Why 28 सर? ये 28 कहाँ से आया? Molar mass of nitrogen is 28. So make a form of m1. तो m1 is equal to, simplify कीजिए, you get your answer that is 70 ग्राम पर मोल. मीन्स जो आपको ऑक्साइड का मोलर मास पूछा था वो है 70 ग्राम पर मोल. Next numerical 5.5. The pressure of 1 gram of an ideal gas A at 27 degrees Celsius is found to be 2 bar. Once again, गैस A है, वो आइडियल गैस कंडीशन फॉलो कर रहा है, प्रेशर 2 बार है. When 2 gram of another ideal gas B is introduced in a same flask, same temperature, the pressure becomes 3 bar. जैसे ही दूसरा गैस उसके अंदर ऐड करते हैं सेम टेम्परेचर पे, तो प्रेशर बन जाता है 3 बार. फाइंड द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन देयर मोलर मासेस. उनके मोलर मास का रिलेशनशिप ढूंढना है. बहुत ही सिंपल है, थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, ध्यान रखते हैं, पता चल जाएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद 5.5. Na is equal to 1 upon Ma, given mass 1 है, divided by Ma. And B is equal to given mass of B is 2, that is 2 divided by MB. First step, number of moles का definition, N is equal to W by M, given mass. तो A के लिए 1 दिया हुआ, B के लिए 2 दिया हुआ, तो Na is equal to 1 upon Ma and B is equal to 2 upon MB. PA is equal to 2 bar, PA plus PB is equal to total 3 bar. So जो PA 2 बार है, total 3 बार है, तो PB by default 1 बार हो जाएगा. Very simple. Now according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. Now gas A and B माटे ये equation apply कीजिए. So PAV is equal to nART and PBV is equal to nBRT. So PA by PB is equal to Na by NB. Now put all this value, 1 upon Ma divided by 2 upon MB is equal to MB by 2Ma. So MB by 2Ma is equal to 2 into PA upon PB. So simplify कीजिए and finally you get your answer MB is equal to 4Ma. जो मोलर मास का रिलेशनशिप ढूंढना था वो बन रहा है गैस B, MB is equal to 4 times of Ma. This is all about your numerical number 5.5. सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल है, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करोगे पता चल जाएगा. So this is all about your today's session. Till so many numericals are left in your end exercise. तो next session यहीं से आगे कंटिन्यूएशन करेंगे 5.6 एंड एक्सरसाइज के. टुडे सेशन इज ऑल अबाउट दिस मैनी न्यूमेरिकल. आप अच्छे से 2 बार प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, नेक्स्ट सेशन में आगे न्यूमेरिकल बढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू.